Hi everyone, welcome back to our podcast. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1, you can see on the screen like franchise, red tiles, amenities, facilities, and the hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Different categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online now and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting any review. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't